So my Creality K1C had a bit of a leakage problem. There was build-up all round. I had much trouble getting it out, but now the problem is I can't get the bed down because there's no power. So the easy answer was you pull the bottom off and then simply grab hold of this this belt, and as you can see, the bed moves down. Now I should be able to remove my my hot end. Yes, comes out. Thanks for watching. Here's an example of the amount of purchase on the right of screen that the new screws have, and the amount of purchase the old screws have. That's just ridiculous in my opinion. That I've tried doing it up with the short ones, and you feel like you're going to strip it as soon as you do it up, even with those useless Allen keys that they come with. So see how she goes. So I decided to get my Dremel onto the old ones, because those useless Allen key heads that you get on them just chew out. So I decided to put a slot in them, and that's working pretty good.